Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Twitch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Twitch. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to twitch.com. Here, tap Login and enter your username and password. When done, tap Login. And that's how you log in to Twitch. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.